What's up, friends? If you look in the program monitor up there, you'll see my friend Guitar Man Jack, who is in need of a lower third for his intro. Now, honestly, the best way to create motion graphics like lower thirds and stuff like that is to use After Effects. But if you're not ready for that, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do it in Premiere Pro. You might be wondering, couldn't you just go to the graphics workspace and do it there? And the answer is, yeah, you could, but sometimes it's nice to be able to have true full-on control over every element, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. First thing we're going to need to do is create a color matte, and so to do that, go over there to that little new item icon and select color matte. Now you can make this color matte whatever color you want, but I'm partially yellow, so that's what I'm going to use. Then once you've got your color matte created, go ahead and drag it out onto your timeline. It's okay that it's bigger than your image, don't worry about it. Because the next thing we need to do is actually go up to our effects controls and actually scale this thing down. To do that, first thing you're going to do is untick the uniform scale box right here, okay? Go ahead and untick that, and then you can actually scale this however you want. Get it to the size you want it to be, and then it's just playing with faders from there. Use the position faders to get it down into the bottom corner, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the opacity of this down just a little bit so we can see the background through it. Once you've got your matte sort of where you want it to be, now it's time for our text element. Now again, you could just use the text tool over here, but I like control, so I'm going to go up to File, New, Legacy Title, give it a name. And then once the title window opens, go ahead and type in the name. In my case, it's Guitar Man Jack. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the font I want this to be and change the color of this text to black. Then using position tools, I'm going to just take this down and put it over that little color matte we created earlier. Make sure everything is scaled the way I want it to, and then I'm going to close the title window. Once that's done, it's just drag it out over the top of our color matte, and look, we made a thing. What you're going to want to do, though, is you're going to want to select your color matte and your title, and you're going to want to nest them. And what this does is it enables you to treat them as one object. And then we're going to go into our Effects tab over there, and we're going to find whatever transition you want to use. For me, I'm going to use the Gradient Dissolve, and I'm going to drop it on both the beginning and the end of our nested sequence, which is actually our lower third. And then when we play it back, it looks like this. All right, like I said, quick, easy lower thirds in Premiere Pro. Keep shooting, friends.